Hyundai's video tutorial series. This is part 2 of the track and trace tutorial. Please review part 1 for additional tracking and tracing features. Please note that you will need to have your service contract mapped to your user ID in order for results to be generated for the following items. The next feature we will review is the My Shipment feature. Under Track and Trace, click My Shipment. Under Shipment Status, the results will provide a breakdown of how many BLs and containers are at origin, are on sale, and are at destination. Clicking on the underlined number will open additional details in each status. Once again, clicking the underlined number will further break down the specific results in each status by BL and container. If you click on Track, the page redirects you to the Track and Trace function for that individual container. The website will also keep a history of 25 tracked shipments for up to 10 days. Click on Tracking History to start. If there is a particular shipment that may be urgent or requires your follow-up, click on Track It Now. The link will take you back to the Track and Trace screen for that particular shipment. You can set up rollover alerts, which will automatically notify you in the event there is a delay at the transshipment port. Click Rollover Alert. Rollover alerts can be set up for all shipments or for one specific shipment. Both are used for different purposes. Choose which option best suits your needs. For the single shipment option, enter in your BL number along with your email address. Then click Save. If you would rather receive for all your shipments, click Setting for All Shipments and verify information listed is correct. If not, click Modify and Save. If you no longer want to receive the automated notifications, click Delete. If you need assistance with any of these features found in your tracking and tracing menu, or need assistance with linking your service contract with your user ID, please contact our customer service team.